Hey yo guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So today guys, this is specifically for darkcrazy 23. I'll leave his YouTube channel down below, but also this is for you guys as well if you guys want to learn. So if you want to learn how to create your own sound pack and your own thing on drumpad 24, and I will show you how everything works if I have enough storage for that. um so basically what you want to do is go to all, and you have all these sound packs, and all of them. The only way you can search for a certain genre in one of these tabs, like all my favorites downloaded, is you have to, on the section, you have to go on all, then go click the search button, and then let's just say I know a lot of people love dubstep. So go dubstep, and this is all the dubstep that are in here. If you want to go with trap, which is my favorite genre, you want to go click trap right here, and you might get the same things, but that's just because maybe they're together, right? So here's all the trap, and I know a lot of people love um house music. So these are all the house music. I'm pretty sure you'll find all of them that you like. But click your favorite sound packs, at least minimum of 5 sound packs that you downloaded of your favorite genre. So these are my favorites right here, which are 3, but they have nice sounds. Um, but yeah, I now what you gotta do is click plus, and then you want to, if you don't have an account, which you should probably make one. If let me just see, yeah, you have to sign in. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'll also show you where to find people and stuff. But this is my account, and this is my page for drumpad 24. Yes, you can share this to your feed, other people as well. Flare Ice, that's my username. Flare Ice, 6 followers, 2 following. The description is I create hip hop and trap beats. 14 sound packs so far, 5,000 to 8,000 sound packs, or even more to come. Crazy ideas coming soon. If you want to edit that, or if you need to do something, you click edit. You got your website, and then you got everything else. So don't mind the Google account, because that's actually my, as you can see, my YouTube channel. So yeah, nothing personal, nothing all that. You can even change your photo, your bio, which is your description, your name of your username, so people can find your name, and then add a website if you want to, if you have a website. So first, let me show you how to create a sound pack. So once you're on the section of all, which is this is the all section, you want to click plus, and then you can click your sound pack name. You don't have to worry about the import sound pack. Paste link to import sound pack. Your link, I'll just leave it be, and then you can name your sound pack whatever you want. Maybe it's dedicated to your genre. Maybe it's dedicated to a real life situation or an adventure you had. I always do random names, so it's no problem for me. So I'm just gonna say, um, neon lights. There you go, neon lights. Uh, um, blade. All right, so I got that. Then create. So we don't need, you can check out the video tutorial if you want, click next, then you want, but I already know how to do this. So you got your edit pads, which is you can edit, so there's no sounds yet. You want to click load sounds, and you want to click drumpad 24 sound packs. So these are all of the things, and you can even go with so it does not look like you can do favorite, so you're just gonna have to choose. I know there was Hey Who, and you're gonna have to basically do it. If there's no names, that's gonna be more difficult for you. Let me just. Alright, let me do that. Alright. There we go. I'm just gonna click that. And then I'm gonna do for here, load, 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 and load. Then I'm gonna edit paths and I can change the pitch. Okay, so this was 5. Oh my gosh, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I finally did it. So that actually took longer than I expected. But the first one is 9, second one is 5, the third one is 4, and the fourth one is -1. Okay. So just wait a bit. And I know another one was Santa's Sleigh. Nice. Okay. There we go. Now, I think my last one was go deeper.
Let's go deeper.
So if that's all you wanted, that's great. And then you click saving sound packs, save, got it, and then boom, there you go. And then if you want to go, like I said, find people and all that jazz, then ooh, oh, it's not downloaded. Uh, that's why. Okay. Anyway, click this, go explore, and then do flare ice search, and boom, there you go. That's how you do it, guys. Oh, and if you want to upload it to your feed, let me just show you real quick. You have to go to my, because that's your sound pack. And then share the feed, this one, and I'm gonna say a few words. Alright, and then you can add a video preview, and you can add an audio preview as well. Oh, okay, well. Anyway, that's how you do it, and then click next, and then it's gonna prepare, and then posting, and then once it's posted, then you can view a new post, and then boom, there you go. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial on Mobazon.